Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up order flow charts on TradingView. First, navigate to your chart and open the Indicators menu. You will find various volume profile options there, which are crucial for understanding order flow. Choose a suitable volume profile type, like Visible Range, to immediately see volume distribution across price levels. This initial step is fundamental for gaining insights into market activity and identifying key areas of interest. Once your volume profile is active, it reveals where the most trading activity occurred. High volume nodes, often called value areas, highlight prices where many transactions took place, indicating strong market interest. Conversely, low volume nodes show prices that were quickly passed through, suggesting less interest or swift rejection. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level with the highest volume, acting as a significant magnet for price. Personalizing your volume profile is key to effective analysis. You can easily adjust the number of rows to fine-tune the granularity of your data, perhaps setting it to 25 or 50 rows for a clearer view. Customizing colors for buy and sell volume helps distinguish market participants at a glance. Explore options like Session Volume Profile for daily insights or Fixed Range for specific price ranges. Saving your setup ensures consistent analysis across all your charts. Interpreting order flow data helps you make informed trading decisions. Strong buying or selling pressure is evident in the volume distribution, guiding your understanding of market sentiment. Pay close attention to divergences where price moves one way, but volume suggests otherwise, indicating potential reversals. High volume nodes often act as strong support or resistance, offering excellent areas for trade entries or profit taking. Always confirm your order flow insights with at least one or two other technical indicators.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.